Setting the standards has been at the forefront of Diamond V since the beginning. As a steward of the industry and a bioscience company, Diamond V has led the industry in microbial-based fermentation research and technology innovation. What makes Diamond V products unique? It's a sophisticated and proprietary technology that consists of both a liquid and solid state anaerobic fermentation. For example, our original XBC is not a single compound, but rather a fermentation product composed of numerous beneficial metabolites that support animal health and performance, and cannot be replicated outside of Diamond V. Our technologically advanced plant accommodates many types of microbial fermentations, such as Saccharomyces cerevisiae and Lactobacillus acidophilus. This commitment to innovation, technology, and quality has developed a global reputation for Diamond V of trustworthiness and reliability. We utilize only quality, reliable, traceable ingredients to assure product quality and consistency. Our proprietary anaerobic fermentation process delivers a unique, stable product, not affected by extreme temperatures, pH, or processing. Therefore, no special storage requirements are necessary. We utilize only peer-reviewed research studies to validate product efficacy of all of our products. In addition, our process is fully automated with state-of-the-art controls to ensure lot-to-lot consistency. As you can see, Diamond V is committed to producing a superb quality product from beginning to end. Diamond V leads the feed industry with its lines of fully fermented products. These are products customers rely and depend on. They're proven, effective, standard-setting, and critical to animal nutrition and health.